Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to teach you step by step how you can add numbered headings to text documents in Microsoft Word. It is mind-blowingly simple, guys, and apart from that I'm going to guide you through this step by step. So with that in mind, let us get started right away. Now shall we? So what you want to do, guys, here in your text document is head over to Home here at the top, and here in the paragraph section select multi-level list here, and from the drop-down menu choose define a new multi-level. That is going to open up that window here for you, where you will be given the opportunity to add multi-level or numbered headings to your text document and to chapters, for example, of your document or text. So what you want to do first, guys, is start with the first level. So select 1 or level 1 here to modify in the top left corner. And here at the bottom, click on more. To that, here to the right where it says link level to style, select your first heading or heading number 1. And here to the left where you see number style for this level, select 1, 2, 3 for your level style, or choose another numbering like Roman letters or numbers, for example, or ABC. I will go with simple Arabic numbers, so 1, 2, 3. And after that, here at the top where it says enter formatting for number, start with the uppermost heading, which will be simply 1, and that's it. Now to add subheadings to your text document, simply proceed with other levels of your document by selecting, for example, level 2. And again, select your link level to style here to the right by clicking on heading 2. And after that, select your number style for this level, which will be Arabic numbers again, 1, 2, 3. And here where it says enter formatting for number, you can, for example, go with 1.1, for instance, or 1.a. So that would be the numbering for your second level. And if you'd like to add third level, simply again, click on your level here in the top left corner, level 3. Add a number style for this level, Arabic numbers, and here to the right, select heading 3 for your link level to style, and customize your third level here where it says enter formatting for number, for example 1.1.1 or 1.1a or something like that, and that's totally up to you guys. So that's basically it. Once you're ready, click on OK here, and that's all to it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.